up, guys? So today we're taking an 8100 all the way up to Pierpont, South Dakota, where my dad has bought a 30-foot air seeder and cart. And instead of hauling the tractor up, paying someone to haul it up, finding a trailer to borrow to haul it up, he said, why don't we just drive the tractor up? It's only 130 miles. Road closed, and I don't know, the road doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's water on both sides. It's plenty of water on both sides. I don't know, we're gonna give it a go. I don't think it'll be too bad. Man, look at all the water. This is nuts. Now I see why the road's closed. The road's closed. I think a tractor would go through that. It's that big of a washout. I don't know. People have definitely driven across it. Oh, there's a pretty big fish up there. I mean, the gravel's still here. I think we'll take it easy. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. It's still pretty deep. It's probably 1.5 feet deep though. So I probably won't come back this way with the air drill, just because I don't want to. It'll probably be dark and I don't want to get stuck. Away. It's been a long day, a lot of driving. Guys, so the farm set in front of us, that's where it's at. Where we're headed. 30-foot air seeder. Now we got to pull it home 150 miles. Dad's going out for tires. We've already blown a hydraulic hose, and this wing that folds down, that hydraulic hose blew and almost smashed the pickup. Luckily that didn't happen. This thing's still half full of seed. So far, not so good. Alright guys, we're off and running. This is probably the biggest piece of equipment I've ever run on one of our own tractors. Not off to a good start. We blew 2 hoses at least. The tires are pretty rotten. And we're gonna pull this thing 150 miles. So luckily, my dad is behind me, making sure I don't lose a tire or lose a wheel. Whew. So I've pulled off here, and all the oil that's spilled out all over the place. If you look up there, there's only one marker. The other one ripped off when this arm fell down. And yeah, you can see these hoses are just junk. So Dad's at a farmer's place just down the road, seeing if he can buy some hydraulic oil. I don't know if we'll make her home tonight or not. Been rough going so far. So my dad went ahead, got a hold of somebody. Nice farmer and his wife came by and gave us 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid, and we're on our way. I don't know how far we're gonna get. It's been a pretty frustrating day. mishaps. Had to navigate basically through a swamp, but I made it home. Wow, what a long day. It's nice to have it home though. So now we can start fixing on it. Please comment, and of course like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later.